In this video I was work on my awning. First I was finish this edge around roof, and then you will see how I make complete awning. This probably looking stupid, but it's only way I can cover my neck, because the sun was so strong I was already burned, and I must make today's shadow. But sun is so strong. We are around 300 kilometers away from Sahara, and you can go out. You will be burned on 5 minutes. At the moment it's okay, it's a little bit cloudy, but when came sun was too hot. Okay, what I will make today, I must make some support from this wood here, and then I will put up this shadow, and I think will be okay. For, like you see this, strong. You feel heat on the skin when came sun out, but when was cloudy was perfect. Let's go start with work. Guys, and don't forget, t-shirt must be white. Okay, this camera is not dust proof. I must go away. Guys, I cut these two boards on half. Now we have 4, and reason for this, we save a little bit money. If I buy 4 separate like this, will be more expensive, and it's only if I buy 4 boards like this, will be 60 euro, and now with 2 is only 48 euros, and we have 4. And that is my angle what I must cut. Yep, okay. Like we see, guys, apply linseed oil is very easy, but can be also very dangerous. Why? I will show you. This I show always when I work with linseed oil. After, when you finish, then you must put these guys into bucket with water. Why? When was finish came reaction, and with reaction came also a lot of hot, and you see how is this burn everything. This is everything from the hot from the inside. You see from the reaction, and can be fire, and that means you put this somewhere inside the house or garbage, then you go away from the house, you came home and house go, you don't have any more house because was burned. For this, always bucket with water. Okay, I can take now down. I have no shadow here. Finish for now. It's not finished completely, but for now, yes. Yeah. Okay guys, I am very happy with this here. These corners here and there was not finished, but here you see it's not completely to the wall, and there was airflow. This can have a hot air escape, and also here in this side was nice. I must finish that corner and there, but for now will be like this. Open and close is a little bit difficult at the moment, because I must go same like up, I must go up, unscrew everything and then roll back. But for this I make only 2 times a year. On summer I have this open, and on winter I close. Guys, if you have some idea how to open and close this, let me know. I still thinking because I must find something, you know, like just open. You don't need every time go and unscrew and screw and roll back, and yeah, I must find something. If you have idea, let me know. Guys, on description I will put another link from my awning build. I have another video. You can see on description. That is for today. Thank you for watching and see you in next one. Bye.